Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss equations of motion of class 7. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and share your comments in the comment section. Let us go for today's session, equations of motion. To prove V is equals to U plus AT. Consider a body having initial velocity u acted upon by a uniform acceleration a for time t, which is in seconds, such that final velocity of the body is v. Acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Change in velocity by time taken, that is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So acceleration A is equals to V minus U by T, that is equal to, taking cross multiplication, V minus U is equals to AT. Then V is equals to U plus AT. This is the first equation of motion. V is equals to U plus AT. Consider a body having initial velocity U acted upon by a uniform acceleration A for time t, which is in seconds, such that the final velocity of the body is V. Acceleration A is equals to change in velocity by time. Change in velocity nothing but final velocity minus initial velocity by time. V final velocity, U denotes the initial velocity. A is equal to V minus U by T. So V is equals to U plus AT. Hence proved. Go to the next one to prove that S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Consider a body having an initial velocity u acted upon by a uniform acceleration a for time t, which is in seconds, such that the final velocity of the body is v and the distance covered is s. Now average velocity is equals to final velocity plus initial velocity by 2, that is equals to v plus u by 2, and also displacement is equals to average velocity into time, that is equals to s is equals to v plus u by 2 into t, but v is equals to u plus AT. Then S is equals to, substituting V value in this equation, S is equals to V u plus AT plus u by 2 into T. By doing multiplication, 2u into T plus AT into T, that is equal to 2u by 2 into T plus half AT into T. So S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Go to the next one. The third equation is to prove that V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Consider a body having an initial velocity u moving with a uniform acceleration a for time t, which is in seconds, such that the final velocity of the body is v and distance covered in S, that is S is equals to ut plus half a t square. This is equation number 1. Next, V is equals to u plus at. This is equation number 2. Squaring equation 2, we get v square is equals to u plus at whole square. That is equals to v square is equals to a square plus u square plus a square t square plus 2uat. V square minus u square is equal to 2a of ut plus half a t square. This is equation number 3. Then v square minus u square is equals to s is equals to ut plus half a t square. Substituting equation 1 in equation 3, we get v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Hence proved. These are the 3 equations of motion. V is equals to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square minus u square is equals to 2as.